Hey traders, I want to quickly go over what happened in the charts today to give you an accessible version of reality. It's the most important thing, is to be able to have the right mindset for trading. If you do not have the right mindset, then you're not interested in actually trading successfully. So let's take a look at this. The bottom left chart here is decay. And you can see the low that happened yesterday, and then today we retested that low. So conceptually, let me show you what that looks like. We have a low get set up, and then another low gets set up. Think of this as energy 1 and this as energy 2. So at this low, energy 1 equals energy 2. And so looking at decay, you can see that we had that situation show up into the lows. What's the utility of pumping these ideas into the market? Well, let me show you. So right here at this low, we need traders to see this idea and then sell the low. Now, why is that useful? These people create open interest. Open interest is very useful for traders who are looking to enter the market. If you try and execute an order and there's no open interest, the market will move against your trade and look for traders on the other side, or the market makers are going to do that. So you'll have to sit with your trade negative. Generating these ideas allow us to quantify the timing here, for these people to sell the lows based on that idea. So the first thing we need here is volume at that idea. The next thing we need is movement. We need to see movement. And the movement shows that the market is moving out. We have pulled those conservative traders into the market, and the market is moving out or away from them, trapping them into their position, providing open interest. So looking at decay, we could see the idea presented with that decay retest. Now we need to see if there's a little bit of volume there. So let's zoom in. And you can see right here, there is no volume. So we have a big problem. We got a big question mark here. The bulls, who have been in charge of the market, oh, look at this, just straight up for 3 days, are now, why is there a question mark? Well, the answer to figuring out why a question mark is there or could be there has to do with looking at possibility space. Remember, motivations exist in the future, not in the present or in the past. They're in the future. Possibility space is being modeled here using tension. And you see how possibility space moved negative. At this point, we could have seen tension move all the way down and give control of the market to the bears. It did move back up and parked at just about 0 into the close. So consider that, and then consider why that we struggled to set this situation up. The bulls, who have been in control, are having doubts. They're having a hard time here setting up the market because they can see that decay, or the decay retest, is setting up at the time when tension, or the possibility of the market, is moving to give bears a chance. So let's move forward a little bit as the market moved forward. Right here, we had a chance for bears. I'm not going to go over this setup. It is different than this decay retest. This one, set up, and the bears did show up and sell that off. So consider this right here. We had tension move down. We have bears selling this off. So tomorrow we could see tension gap up and run. We could see it gap down and run. We have a very ambiguous possibility space. But that's not what's important. What's important is that we had bears selling into the close. We had bulls struggling to really show confidence throughout the day. They didn't pick up liquidity. They had a hard time with this risk reduction low. So going into the close today, we're seeing doubts by the bulls, and we're seeing confidence by the bears. Hopefully this was helpful to give you a picture of what's going on with the reality of the actual traders in the market, so you can get the right mindset. There's nothing more important to a trader than having the correct mindset. And this painting that I've given you of these two sides should help you understand the actions and reactions of traders tomorrow. I hope this helped. Good luck trading, guys.